baby. Be gentle. Be gentle. Be gentle, Zoe. Say hi, Cat. You getting all three of them in it?
Yep.
Say hi. Yeah?
Say hi, Zoe. Abigail. Katrina. Say hi. Say hi to Connor.
Oh, hold on.
That's
You
a
gotta
book.
get the baby the book. Baby. Say baby. Baby. Yeah.
It's like a jungle over there with all those kids.
You wanna come sit up here?
Man, what a difference when you look at the two vehicles next to each other.
What's your vehicles?
Mom.
Her car versus ours.